On today's episode of learning how people are making viral AI video content, we are going to walk through how to make one of these construction videos. Stay tuned as we walk through the process. Maybe you want to change the person, or you want to change the house or any other elements. We can use a reference to video and use that to generate a new video very similar to the original one. So for that scenario, I'm going to use a reference video and I'm going to set my node to Cdance 2.0 fast. In this scenario, I just want to change the house that's in the background with this house, and we're going to do the same similar walkway for this house. Add my reference video. I'm going to add my reference image. I'm going to add my prompt. The prompt is very simple. We'll include that, and you can find that in the template in the comment section. Using reference to video is a quick and easy way of generating something very similar. As you can see, everything stayed pretty much the same, except the house was changed to the provided reference image. The other thing we can do, we can also replace the character. We'll provide a different video on how to deal with human faces and Cdance 2.0 as references. For this one, I'm just going to import the image that I generated that I know will work with Cdance. The reason that it works is that because we added this mesh on top of the face. Here, I'm just going to update my prompt to include that information. So now we'll replace both the house and the person in the original video. The other way we can go about this, if you just wanted to create an original content and not rely on any other input video, you can go ahead and do that. We're still going to use the reference to video. I'm just going to remove my reference video. I'm still going to keep the same house, the same character. I did generate an image of the walkway that I want finished, put that into my reference images. Then I'm just going to add my prompt. We'll include the prompt, and obviously you can change this to match your needs. And let's see what we get. The one thing I do want to improve is that when she's digging, she's not digging the entire path and just cuts off. So we can actually provide a little bit more context on that. I'm gonna grab our final path and I'm gonna add an image edit node, a little prompt to remove the pathway and just replace it with dirt. Much better. I do like that the path is fully digged out in this video. We can probably make this a lot better with providing more reference images and probably a little bit of a better prompt. I hope you enjoyed this. Hit the follow button. We'll be making more of these videos. See you next time.